Dear student, in last class we have finished question number 5 in exercise 4.1 principle of mathematical induction. Okay, in this class we will continue from sixth question onwards. Sixth question, let us see what they have given. N belongs to capital N, that means N belongs to natural number. That was the condition they have given, that is why we have not written again. Okay, see the sixth question. This is not 1.2, 1 into 2. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus dash 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 n into n plus 1 is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3. This we have to prove by principle of mathematical induction. Okay. The first step is n belongs to n, that already they have given. That is why I am not writing again it. Okay. If you want, you can write again. There is no harm. What I am doing, rather than writing again, I am changing this number as Pn. Pn. Okay, but you don't change, you have to write again. Okay. This will be the second step. This will be the second step. Pn. Colon. Okay. Now this sixth question, sixth I have removed, this one I have written. That means sixth question and Pn also I have written. Two steps I have written, like you have to think. Okay. Now third step is what? P1. That's all. P1 we have to find. Let us find P1. P of 1. See, 1 into 1 plus 1, 2, 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is equal to, RHS is 1 into 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 1 into 2 into 3 by 3. 1 into 2 into 3 by 3 implies 2 is equal to 2. 3, 3 going to get cancelled. 2. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? When P of 1 becomes LHS is equal to RHS, what you have to write? We have to write Pn is true. Yes, right? Pn is true for n is equal to 1. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This compulsorily you have to write. Next step, first step is n, Pn is second, P1 is third step. Fourth step is Pk, P of k. Write down P of k. P of k is equal to P of k colon. P of k colon. Okay, you repeat Pn but replace n as k. Okay, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus dash 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 plus n, no n, k. K into k plus 1 is equal to, okay, k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 whole divided by 3. Okay, this will be your P of k. Why? Because we have replaced n as k, n as k, n as k. Okay. Now important step we have to write. Assume Pk is true. Yes, that is very much essential. Okay. That important. Assume Pk is true. These two are Pn is equal to true for n is equal to 1 and Pk assume true. That you must write. Assume P of k is true. Okay. Okay. Now next step, P of k plus 1. That's all. P of k plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. If you prove, then question will be completed. Let us write P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1 colon. You copy Pk. For one more step you have to write k plus 1. K is there. K up to k you write again. K plus 1 you have to write. P of k plus 1. 1.2 plus 2 into 3 plus dash 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 plus k into k plus 1 already is there, then we have to write up to k plus 1 plus k plus 1. Here k plus 1. K is there, k into k plus 1. K plus 1 is there, friends. K plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 1. K plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. Okay. This is LHS. But what about RHS? This how I have written, you know, na? See, k means here k plus 1 will come. K plus 1 means k plus 1 means k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. Okay, here also you see k plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 2, k plus 1 plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 by 3 will come. Okay, RHS. Write down. K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 divided by 3. This will be RHS of PK plus 1. This is LHS of PK. You see, what we have to write here now, to prove LHS of PK plus 1 is equal to RHS of PK plus 1. That you have to write down. That is very essential. To prove LHS of P of K plus 1 is equal to RHS of P of K plus 1. Okay, this is very essential. Now if you prove LHS is equal to RHS, then your answer will be over. What I am going to do, see this I am making in box. Because this we have to prove. Okay, finally LHS also we will make one box. Boxes can be compared like. Okay, let us write now LHS. LHS is equal to, you see LHS we can convert 1 into 2, 2 into 3 up to k into k plus 1 is there already. K into k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 3. This we can replace as k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 3 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. That we can write. Okay, you write down k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 3. Okay, plus is there, k plus 1 into k plus into k plus 2. Okay, so here if nothing is there means you can put 1, because for cross multiplication it is very essential. Cross multiplication. Okay, now you cross multiply, this is 1 means same thing will going to come, k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus here 3 into k plus 1, 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. K into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, whole divided. See cross multiplication, 1 into 3 into plus divided by 3 into 1, 3. Okay, if you see some common elements are there. K plus 1, k plus 2 you can take common. You see both k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 1, k plus 2. Okay, take that common. K plus 1 into k plus 2. If you take common, this side of plus k is there. K plus this side of k 3 is there. Okay, that is equal to 3. Okay, now what I am going to do, you see this is RHS, your RHS. If you see what I am doing, I am making one box for this. Okay, you understand now? K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 by 3, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 by 3. Okay, LHS is equal to, you write first RHS, this is equal to RHS. Now what you have to write finally, LHS is equal to RHS, hence Pn is true. Here Pn is true for n is equal to 1, but here finally Pn is true, you have to write down. LHS is equal to RHS, comma, hence P of n is true. Okay, you understand that? Okay, this way you can finish the question. Let us go for 7th question. Okay, see the 7th question, what they have written. See, small n belongs to capital N, they have given in question itself. Okay, I have not written that. First step is over for us. But if you want to write again, you can write. There is no harm. Okay. You see, seventh question. 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus dash 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 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay. Both are odd numbers only. How we have to write? You see, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, they have written is equal to n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. You see here, even though it is a quadratic equation, but you cannot take anything common unless some other you can multiply. Why? Because see, a square plus b square minus 2ab also it is not going to help. Why? Because this is plus 2ab like is there. Why? Because b is also there here. But b square always here positive will come. Here negative positive comes also you can. That is why you cannot take now itself common. That is a quadratic equation. Okay. First step over n belongs to n. Second step Pn we have to copy. Rather than copying Pn, what I am going to do? I am changing this number as Pn, but you don't change. You have to write again Pn. Okay? Okay. P of n colon P of n colon. Okay. Now you think that I have written Pn. Okay, I have not changed it. I have written Pn like you have to think. Okay. Next, third step is, two steps are over. Third step is P of 1. LHS is equal to RHS, you have to prove. Okay. You see P of 1. P of 1. You see 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 into 3, 1 into 3 is equal to 1 into, you see 4 into 1 square, 4 plus 6 minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9 by 3. That is equal to, you see 3 times it goes 1 into 3, 1 into 3. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. I have not written 3. You can write 3. Okay. See, after this what we have to write? If P of 1 comes, LHS is equal to RHS. Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Yes, definitely that we have to write. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This compulsorily you have to write. Okay. Next step is P of k. Write down P of k. Write down P of k. P of k colon. You simply copy this, replace n with k. That's all. 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus 2 into k minus 1, 2k plus 1. Okay. That is equal to k into 4k square plus 6k minus 1 whole divided by 3. Is it okay? Now you see what we have done. For pk we have replaced n with k. 2n minus 1, 2k minus 1. 2n plus 1, 2k plus 1. n into k into 4k square, 4n square, 4k square. 6n, 6k. Okay. This is pk. Next important step is assume pk is true. Yes, that you have to write compulsorily. Okay. Write down. Assume pk is true. Assume P of k is true. This compulsorily you have to write. Okay, next step is P of k plus 1. That also you have to write. P of k plus 1. Write down P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1 colon. Okay. You replace k with k plus 1. But k also will come first. Okay. That you have to keep in your mind. 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus dash 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 plus this also will come 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus now you see if you are replacing k with k plus 1, when multiplication is there, carefully you have to write. Okay. Or else you are going to do mistake. I am writing here both LHS and RHS continuation. Okay. You see what I am writing here. Here I think space is not enough. Okay, you see how I am writing 2 into k means k plus 1, k plus 1 minus 1, you put to bracket, into 2 into k means k plus 1 plus 1, you put to bracket, that is equal to. Now you repeat this one RHS, this up to this here LHS plus this we have written, but RHS is this one, k means k plus 1, 4 into k plus 1 square plus 6 into k plus 1. Okay, from here onwards I will write. Okay, two into k plus 1 minus 1 into, see these two in k plus 1 we are writing. Okay, 2 into k plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to k plus 1, 4 into k plus 1 square plus 6 into k plus 1 minus 1. Okay, divided by 3. Okay, this is p of k plus 1. Okay, okay. See now what we have to write to prove LHS of pk plus 1 is equal to RHS of pk plus 1. Write down. To prove LHS of p of k plus 1 is equal to RHS of p of k plus 1. You see here also some further modification has to do, but here let us do afterwards. You see 4k plus 1 square you have to first make, then you have to multiply with 4. This is very easy. 6k plus 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 5. 6k plus 5 you can write easily here. But here you don't know. First you have to multiply k, you have to expand to k plus 1 whole square. Afterwards you have to multiply. Then finally you have to multiply with k, everything. See, this problem is a little bit lengthy. We will do bottom and top. Okay, after removing. You note down this one by passing the video. Why? Because after completion of here, then we go for top. See, to prove LHS of pk plus 1 is equal to RHS of pk plus 1. What we do? First we take LHS. We will make a LHS one box. Then again we take RHS. RHS also we will simplify. Finally also we will make box. Now RHS is equal to LHS, like we can make. Both are equal. Okay. Let us take first LHS. Let us take first LHS. Okay. LHS is equal to, okay, you see 1 into 3 into 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 up to 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1, this equivalent, this formula or statement is there. This you can copy. Okay, copy that k into 4k square plus 6k minus 1 divided by 3, then plus this thing you have to write. LHS only you have to take. Now RHS you should not take now. This one. Okay, this one while taking, you now you simplify this. You see 2k plus 2 minus 1, that means 2k will come. Okay, 2k plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, here also 2k will come. 2k plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, put 1. Why? Because see, cross multiplication you have to do. Okay, now you see what I feel. You send this k inside. K inside you have to send. Then only better to. Let us see. I don't think space is sufficient. Let us write here. Okay. 1 into k. See 1 into, and again I am doing this one. Okay. You see 4k cube. K I have sent inside plus 6k square minus k. Okay. 1 times plus. You see 3 I am sending. First I will multiply 1, then again I am going to multiply another one. Okay. Yes, I have to multiply. This also we have to expand, or else you are not going to get final answer. Okay. 3 into 2. See, first I am multiplying with 3 this one. Finally, we will multiply with both. Okay. You see, 3 into 2, 6k plus 3 into 2k plus 3. Okay. Divided by 3. That is equal to. Okay. Now here, okay, let it be like that only. But this you can multiply again. Okay. Write down same thing. 4k cube 6k square minus k plus now you can multiply this. You see 6k into 2k 12k square. Okay, 12k square. 6k into 3 18k plus 3 into c 2 6k 18k plus 2k 20k. Is it okay? 6 into 2 18. Sorry, 6 into 3 18k plus 3 into 2 6k 24k. Sorry, 24k. 6 into 3 18k. Why? Because don't have space. In one step we will write 6k into 3 18k. Okay, 18k I have written. 3 into 2k 6k. Total 24k will come. Okay, now 3 into 3 9. Okay, now divided by 3. Okay, now again you add k cube, k square, like that. Okay. Okay. Add. You see, any k cube is there, only one k cube is there. You add k cube, 4k cube. Okay, k squares are there. You see, 6k square plus 12 square, 18k square plus 18k square. Okay. K, you see, k minus you have to make 24k minus k, 23k plus 23k plus 9. That's all. Plus 9 divided by 3. You see, this you make one box. Why? Because see, this further you cannot come, this one. You cannot make this standardization. Why? Because see, 23 prime number has come. You cannot take anything common. A prime number comes means prime number only you have to take common. 23 if you take common, 4, 8 and all will not going to give any result. Okay? That is why what you have to do, you make box of this one. Okay? This is LHS. This is LHS. Now what I am going to do, RHS, even if you write here also you cannot make simplification. What I am going to do, this up to PK I am removing. This RHS we will simplify here. RHS final result also have to make box. If both boxes are equal, then we can write LHS is equal to RHS, PN is true. You note down by passing the video up to PK. Yes, up to PK I am removing. Let me try to up to P1. If not sufficient, we will remove further. Okay. Up to PN. Here I am removing. Okay. Oh, okay. LHS final result we have received, but this is not equivalent to RHS. If you compare directly, what we have to do, RHS further simplification we have to do. Okay, RHS we will take and further we will simplify. Okay, directly some steps we can take here. Okay, what I am doing, you see, k plus 1 you write k plus 1, RHS first you have to write RHS is equal to k plus 1. Okay. Now you see k plus 1 whole square you expand. K plus 1 whole square. K square plus 2k plus 1. Is it okay? K plus 1 whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. K square plus 1 square plus 2k. 2 into k. Okay? Plus. This also you see 6k plus 6 minus 1 means plus 6 minus 1. 5. 6k plus 5. Okay? Okay, then you close this. and I take all 3. Okay, 3 matched, but numerator it has to match. Okay, now again you send 4k square, only 1 is there. Okay, how I am writing, you see, simply k plus 1 like that only you write. But you see 4k square you write, no problem, 4k square, you write 4k square. Next 4 into 2, 8k plus 6k, 14k directly I am writing. Okay, 4 into 2, 8k plus 6k. 8 plus 6, 14. Okay, next 4 into 1, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 directly I am writing, plus 9. Okay, you understand now how it has come? Oh, okay. I think I have to remove pk also. Let me remove pk. Okay. Now what we have to do? With k with 1, we have to multiply. Okay. Let us do it. If I multiply with k, 4k cube. Write down 4k cube plus 14k square. Okay. Plus 9k. Okay. Plus see, with k I have done already. With 1 we have to do. 1 means same thing. Once again you have to write 4k square plus 14k plus 9. Is it okay? Okay. Divided by 3. Okay. Now you simplify. It has to match this one. 4k cube, 4k cube. Okay. 4k cube plus 14k square, 4k square, 18k square. You see 18k square. Plus 9k plus 14k, 23k. You see 23k. Plus 9 is 1 only constant. 9 divided by 3. Now like here, that also you make one box. Okay. One box. Now see, this is RHS, this is LHS. Both LHS RHS matched. What you have to write? You have to write LHS is equal to RHS, hence PN is true. Okay? Write down LHS is equal to RHS, comma, hence PN is true. Okay, we have verified the statement with principle of mathematical induction. This is the process of mathematical induction. Okay, you take this question, we will go for question number 8. Okay, see the question number 8. Small n belongs to capital N, they have already given. Okay, first step is completed. You see 8. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 3, 2 cube plus dash 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 n into 2 power n is equal to n minus 1 into 2 power n plus 1 plus 2. Okay, careful, if you see n minus 1 is at base level, but n plus 1 is at power level, power 2 power. Okay, that is that should be taken very carefully. Okay, now see, we have to prove this by mathematical induction, principle of mathematical induction. First step they have given, that is why we need not write again, or else you can write. Second step, this number 8 I am removing and I am writing as Pn. But you don't write like that. You have to write again. You have to repeat this. Okay? Pn. We are taking this as a proposition. Pn. P of n colon. Okay? You think that I have done 2 steps. Pn belongs to capital N also I have done. Pn also I have done. Okay? 2 steps. Third step is P1. P1 is equal, P1 LHS is equal to RHS. You have to prove. Okay? Let us do. P of 1, P of 1 colon, you see 1 into 2 power 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, that is equal to 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. You see this entire thing is going to become 0 up to 2 power n plus 1. 0 into something. Plus 0 plus 2. Plus 2 is there. Okay? 0 plus 2. implies 2 is equal to 2 comma LHS is equal to RHS. Is it correct? You see first P of 1. Okay. First step only it will come when P has 1. If you give 1 into 2 normally, even you can verify here also 1 into 2 power 1. 1 into 2. 2. There 1 minus 1 is 0. That is why 0 plus 2 has come. Okay. After this what you have to write? You have to write Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Definitely. Write down. Pn is true. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. See, for n is equal to 1 only. Finally, for k is equal to k plus 1 is equal to true. True for p of k plus 1 also. Then we can write finally Pn is true. Okay. There we don't write Pn is true for p of k plus 1. Okay. Okay. This is the third step. Fourth step is p of k. Write down p of k also. P of k. P of k colon. You repeat this. Simply copy 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus k into 2 power k is equal to k minus 1 into 2 power k plus 1 plus 2. That's all. Okay, you understand na? K minus 1 into 2 power k plus 1 plus 2. This is pk. Okay, pn pk. Now important step we have to write. Assume pk is true. Yes, definitely. That should be written. Assume pk is true. Assume p of k is true. Okay. Next step, further step is p of k plus 1. Write down p of k plus 1. P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1. Okay, simply extend this pk. Okay, extend. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus dash 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 plus k into 2 power k also you have to write plus now in place of k plus 1 you have to write k plus 1 2 power k plus 1. Is it okay? LHS. I'm talking about LHS. LHS, is it okay? First you see k into 2k plus 1 also will come k, but k plus 1. One more step it goes. One more step is goes after k plus 1, after 2 power k plus 1. Okay, here 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 2 power 3. Here 1, 2, 3. K plus 1. 2 power k plus 1. Like that it will come. Okay. This is the story of LHS. What about RHS? RHS, you see, if k minus 1 like simple terms are there, or else we'll do one thing. First you write 2. Why? Because there will be no confusion. This 2 after 2 comes means you are going to get confused. First I have taken this side and I am writing k minus 1 that side. Now you simply observe k minus 1 means in place of k you have to write k plus 1. K plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 are going to get cancelled. K is going to come. Write k into 2 power. You see k plus 1 is there. But k plus 1 you have to write in place of k. K plus 1 plus 1. K plus 2. Write k plus 2. You understand na? How it has come now? Okay. Now what you have to do? Better you box it this RHS. Why? Because we have to prove this one. 2 plus k into 2 power k plus 2. See, k into 2 power k plus 2. Okay? Okay. Now, what we have to write? We have to write to prove LHS of pk plus 1 is equal to RHS of pk plus 1. Okay? This is pk plus 1. Write down. To prove LHS of pk plus 1 is equal to RHS of p of k plus 1. Okay? Okay. Now what we do? We take LHS only. Why? Because RHS in simplified manner only it is there. We need not simplify further. Let it be like that only. LHS we will take. We will simplify. And final result, let us see whether this comes or not. If this comes automatically, this is true. Okay. We have to prove anyway. Okay. Now see what I am doing. LHS I am taking. LHS is equal to, okay, if you simply observe 1 into 2, 2 into 2 square, 2 into 3 into 3, 2 cube, up to k into 2 power k, one result is there here. Okay, this result you simply copy. First you copy 2. 2 plus k minus 1 into 2 power k plus 1. Is it okay? This one here? Okay. Now you see this is up to here only. Plus this you have to write again. K plus 1 into 2 power k plus 1. Here little bit carefully you have to do this expansions, exponents or power indices. Okay. You see here 2 will be like this only. Why? Because 2 is multiplying nothing. Okay. You write 2. See, all are plus, then you write plus only. Now you stop and simply observe what you can take common. 2 power k plus 1, 2 power k plus 1. Can you take common? Definitely it can take common. You write 2 power k plus 1. 2 power k plus 1, but you put one parenthesis. See here k minus 1 is multiplying. K minus 1, you write k minus 1. Okay. Plus is there? Yes, plus is there. You write plus. Then what is multiplying here? K plus 1. You write k plus 1. Okay, is it correct? You see, why? Because 2 already I have taken. 2 is nothing to do with k plus 1. That is why separately we have written. Okay, you simply observe there what is there. Is it correct? Okay, now let us go. You see, k, 2k, but minus 1 plus 1 are going to get cancelled. 2k. 2 plus 2 power k plus 1 into 2k. Is it okay? K plus k, 2k, 2k. Is it okay? Okay. Now you see that is equal to. See, here base is same, but addition is there. That is why you cannot do anything. You can take common. But here see, base is the same, 2 into 2, not k. K power 1, 2 power 1, 2 power k plus 1 is there. See, two bases are same. Powers we can add. 2 power 1, k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. 2 plus 2 power k plus 2 into k. Is it correct? You see, k nothing going to do. K power 1 like this only is there. But 2 power 1 plus 2 into 2 power k plus 1 means 2 power k plus 2. Is it okay? Now what you have to do, you box it. This is LHS. RHS if you compare 2 plus k, 2 power k plus 2, 2 power k plus 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. What you have to write? Is equal to RHS. Yes, definitely. You have to write this is equal to RHS. Okay. Finally, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, PN is true. LHS is equal to RHS, comma, hence P of N is true. This you write and close this question. Okay? Okay. Now, let us go for 9th question. That will be last question for this class. Okay? Let us take and we will go for 9th question. Okay, see the 9th question. N belongs to capital N, they have given. First step over. 9th question, you see, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus dash 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 plus 1 by 2 power n is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. See, this problem is simple, but solution is difficult. Difficult means not easy. You are going to see. Okay? Okay. Let us take first second step. First step over, n belongs to n. Second step means p of n. I am going to change this as p of n. You don't change, you have to write again. Okay? This is P of n. Okay, P of n, we have taken second step also. Third step is P of 1. Okay, write down P of 1. P of 1 colon. See, 1 power 2, 1 by 2 power 1. That means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is LHS. Okay, RHS is 1 minus 1 by 2 power 1. 1 by 2. That means implies half is equal to half. Why? Because 1 minus half is half only. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Is it okay? Okay. You tell me now, if LHS is equal to RHS at P of 1 comes, means what you have to write? P of n is true. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Write down. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This you have to write. Okay, written. Next step is P of k. Write down P of k also. P of k colon. You copy this Pn. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 power k. Why? Because when n is there, n will come, k is there, k will come. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 power k. Is it okay? Okay? Okay, but important step we have to write. What? Assume pk is true. Yes, definitely. Write down the step. Assume pk is true. Assume P of k is true. Okay? This is up to pk story. Next step is P of k plus 1. Write down P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1 colon 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus dash 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 plus 1 by 2 power k plus 1 by 2 power k plus 1. You understand, na? Here up to k only. Here up to k plus 1. Up to k plus 1 you have to go. Okay? We have gone. That is equal to. See, RHS, when k is there, k will come. When k plus 1 is there, k plus 1 will come. 1 minus 1 by 2 power k plus 1. What you have to do, you box it. RHS. This you have to prove. RHS. Like P of k plus 1 RHS you have to prove. Okay, now what you have to write? To prove LHS of pk plus 1 is equal to RHS of pk plus 1. That you have to write. Write down. To prove LHS of pk plus 1 is equal to RHS of p of k plus 1. Okay, this you have to prove. Okay, next step is what? LHS you have to take. LHS you take and you convert it. If it comes 1 minus 1 by 2 k power plus 1, then we can write Pn is true. Okay, you take LHS. You take LHS. LHS is equal to, okay. So if you see, simply observe 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to 1 by 2 power k is repeated here. Okay. This you can replace with 1 minus 1 by 2 power k. Repeat 1 minus 1 by 2 power k plus 1 by 2 power k plus 1. This additional 1 by 2 power k plus 1. Okay. Now after simplification, this you have to receive. Here little bit tricky is there. Let us do it. Is equal to okay. You do first two cross multiplication. One result will come. Then finally again cross multiplication with third one. Like that we do. Or else LCM if you take 2 power k, 2 separately you have to take. But because 2 power k into 2 means 2 power k plus 1 will come. 2 power k, 2 will be there. 2 power k into 2 LCM you have to take. Then this will come 2 power k into this one. Okay, you write like this. You see. Is it okay? LCM you see 2 power k into 2. Now bases are same. You can add powers. So 2 power k plus 1. 2 power k plus 1 I have taken. Why I have taken? See, 1 divided by 1. That means you have to multiply entire thing. 1. Okay. 2 power k into 2. Minus. Sorry. Minus. 2 power k is there, 2 is not there. That means 2 into 1. 2. Is it okay? Okay. Plus. Why? Because LCM also you have to habituate. That is why I am doing in LCM form. Rather than cross multiplying always. This also you have to habituate. Okay. Now 2 power k into 2 are there. Then automatically simply 1 is going to come. 1. Okay. That is equal to. Okay. You see here. Minus 2 plus 1, what is going to become? Minus 1 only. You write down minus 1. 2 power k into 2 minus 1 by 2 power k into 2. Is it okay? Okay? Okay. You see now again 2 power k divided by 2 power k. See 2 power k into 2 means 2 power k plus 1. We know very well. What I am going to do? See I am dividing this both. 2 power k by 2 power k by 2 minus 1 by 2 power k into 2. That we can write. Okay, that means you see 1 minus 1 by 2 power k into 2. Is it okay? You see there? Okay. Separately I have written. Separately if I write 1 by 1 is going to come. 1 minus 1 by 2 power k into 2. That is equal to what is going to become 1 minus 1 by 2 power k plus 1. Is it okay? See, RHS, LHS both have matched. What you have to write now? That is equal to RHS. Write down. RHS, comma, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, P of N is true. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. Now what we have done? We have finished this 9th question in exercise 4.1. Only one exercise is there. 24 questions are there. We have gone up to 9th question. What we do? 10, 11, 12, 13. We will try to finish in the next class. Okay. I suppose in one class only I am able to finish four questions, 4 problems. Okay. Let me finish further 4 questions in the next class up to 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Thank you very much.